Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get some of the best spicy apps on your Amazon Fire Stick. And without any further ado, the first step that you need to take is getting the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. You click on it, and now here's the app which you need to get to your Fire Stick. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So now in order to set up Downloader, we go to the settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here you will have to turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader, there it is, and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Let me open it. And there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Austria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And it's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. There it is, let me open it. And now let's go back to Downloader. So open this application, and now here, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is open the search bar right here, and in the search we'll be entering the codes. So the first code we'll be using will be 127586. So once again, 127586. That is the code we are using to get the first application today. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel. so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the file has started. Usually does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just press install and make sure that the application gets properly installed. And now when the app was installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now if you go back to the list of apps on your device, here it is, let me open it. Now it should load in a couple of moments. And that's right, there it is. There's the first application which we got for you. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access this app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such applications. And just like that, we got the first amazing app for you. And now let's go back to Downloader so we could get you even more amazing applications like this one. So you click on Downloader again, open this search bar, and the next code we'll be entering will be 4387113. So once again, 4387113. That's the second code we are using today. Click on Go, and now we'll start downloading the second application today. And here we go, the download of the second app has started for us as well. So it was downloaded, and as always, make sure to properly install it to your device. So now let's install the application, and then as always click on done and delete unnecessary files from the Firestick. Then we head back to the list of applications on your Firestick. Here it is. We open it and there's already the second app we got for you. So let's put it up front as well, and now we got 2 amazing apps on the Firestick. And it's not over yet, let's get even more content for you today. So go back to the loader, open a home section again, erase that previous code, and now the next code we'll be using will be 9535562. So once again, 953562. That's the third application today, which we have started downloading now. And here you go, the download has started. So there you go, click install and just wait a bit for the app to finish installing. As always, delete unnecessary files from your device, just like that. And now let's go and take a look at the list. So here we go, let me open the list now. And there at the bottom you will find this last application today. So enjoy all those apps and don't forget to keep the VPN running. So see you next time, bye bye.